Women in manufacturing, such an important topic. Every time I get any opportunity to get a wonderful woman on camera that's willing to share their story, I like to jump on the opportunity to bring them on. And April is one of those amazing women, April Curry here at Rolar Products. Believe it or not, in a completely different world for almost 20 years, I believe. But I'm gonna let her share that story with you. Now in manufacturing. April, thank you so much for being a part of MTD.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for joining manufacturing.
Yeah, I really do enjoy it.
So let's learn more about where that joy comes from and what you did previously that maybe created some of that joy moving in as well.
I was a medical assistant and surgical assistant for 20 years. And because of the way the insurances are, I decided that that wasn't the field for me anymore. So a friend of mine said that there was a job here at Rolar available. And I didn't take it serious. I thought about it for a couple days, but once I interviewed and they walked me through the plan, I had to know more. I wanted to know more. It was interesting to me.
And what was that transition like? Because we all start with an interest, right? We all go, well, that could be fun to do, but not only did it look fun, you applied yourself to do it. The transition, was it smooth? Was it awkward? Was it hard, easy?
It was very scary because
Okay.
you're working on machines that cost more than your house. And every part is money. So it was very stressful at first, but everybody here was so helpful and very knowledgeable, and it made my transition so much easier.
You had the ability or the capability or the privilege, whatever adjective we want to use, to run a really sophisticated brother machine with a 40 tool changer, a 3+2 on the ZY X-axis, and also a pallet change. So kind of a complicated machine for someone new, but you ran it like a champ, right? How was that experience?
That was all thanks to my trainers. Without them, I would have probably ran screaming. I was trained very well. The machine is amazing. Once I got unafraid of it, because it is a powerful machine, I learned it pretty well. It is complicated in a different way than medicine.
I would say that's probably an accurate statement, April. Absolutely. So, okay, we're running machines. We've made the transition. There's a little bit of fear. We're overcoming that fear. You're now growing within Rolar Products as a whole, right? What's it like now? Are you comfortable, confident, still enjoying yourself?
Yeah, very much so. I like it for many reasons. I love my coworkers. I like to see what we do. I like the different parts. I like the different machines. I like learning new things. And every day here, you have the opportunity to learn something different.
Isn't that the truth?
Yeah.
Now, if I'm gonna have one last question for you, because I know you're a busy, busy lady here, so much responsibility, would you mind sharing a bit of your personal opinion to the women out there that either haven't yet entered this industry, or to the women who, like yourself, were in a completely different industry and want to transition into something new? So for the younger generation and for our age generation, what kind of message would you give to say, look, I was in one field, I'm now doing this, I really enjoy it? Or if maybe they haven't started their career yet, they go, maybe this is what you want to get into to start with.
I think it's very beneficial. There's not very many women machinists at all. They make good money. You get an exciting career that you work on different machines. You learn different applications for things. It's good for somebody who enjoys the fine details. It's an exciting and always changing field. So you're never going to get bored. That's, I think, the best part. The money is always good. And because of the lack of women in the field, it always calls for more women in the field.
I couldn't have said it better myself, April. I do appreciate you sharing your story with the global audience at MTD. Women out there, we need more of you. Plus, April's looking to make some friends, and she's one of the nicest people I've ever met, so come join us.